What is going on, guys? Kyle of Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, guys, and there's a lot going on in the markets, a lot to discuss. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. First things first, let me know in the comments below what you guys think this is. Penny tweets out, something is brewing ... We don't know what this is, right? This is super vague. This is super cryptic. It's a blurry photo of what looks like a Shiba Inu. We don't know, right? But let me know in the comments below if you guys know, if you guys think what you think. I want to know what you guys think this is and what you kind of are theorizing about. I want to know it all. Let me know in the comments below what this could be leading to, what this could be. Also, let me know in the comments below, what would you guys do if Shiba Inu hit $1 tomorrow? What would you guys do? Would you hold? Would you sell? Would you keep buying? What would you do? I want to know. Obviously, you guys have some really interesting takes down there either way. Shiba Inu is up about 1% on the day overall, 1.10% if you count the obviously after the decimal. But either way, over the last 24 hours, we are seeing some pretty good price action on Shiba Inu, and the overall cryptocurrency market is no exception. If we look at the ranking, we're up just about 2.49% on the day today. Now, keep in mind, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a little bit of a pullback intraday, just because this looks like kind of a dead cat bounce. Again, the momentum looks good, and we do look good on most of the other fronts, on some of the other larger cryptocurrencies. But that being said, hopefully this sustains itself, and I'm wrong. Hopefully it's not a dead cat bounce, but unfortunately these are in some areas, guys. This isn't like the biggest pump in the world, right? If you look at Shiba Inu, right, we're in some other places would look and we're up. Even on Shiba Inu, right, we're forming this little red candle here as I'm making this video, which isn't always the most positive thing in the world, of course, but don't worry, guys. I think everything will be okay. Again, I'm buying the dips. My long-term thesis still holds on Shiba Inu. I'm still very bullish, and I still think that we're going to do very good things this year, and of course beyond. I think Q1, Q2, Q3, and even Q4 of 2022 are going to be very, very crucial times for Shiba Inu in a good way. I think we're going to see a lot of growth and a lot of huge potential. Lots of different news articles to discuss today, guys. A lot of different things that I want to get your guys' eyeballs on because I think they're important. Speaking of which, guys, if you guys want to get access to our buy and sell alerts, we're running a 50% off sale on our Discord right now. There's only a few more days to take advantage of this before it will go away forever. We will not run another sale like this for a very long time. So if you guys want to get access to this now, I really recommend getting in so you guys don't have to pay the $20 tier. Once you get into the $10 tier, that remains the price that you pay. You do not have to pay the $20 tier per month if you get in at the 10. So get in while you can now. Get access to this while you guys can and take advantage of the deal. I think you guys will really enjoy it either way. First things first, Motley Fool article. Let's get the kind of the assumptions out of the way and everything. Yes, I know Motley Fool is known to spread FUD, and yes, I know that many of us are not big fans of Motley Fool, myself included. So reading this article, I'm going to take it with a grain of salt. I'm going to be very critical of what they say, and I'm not going to just blindly accept what they say as fact. So keep that in mind, guys, before you run to the comments and type stuff about Motley Fool being false. I get it. Trust me. Here's the first thing. Here's a huge threat to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Who cares about Dogecoin? That you might not have seen coming. So they're basically touting that there's some type of threat, apparently, to these tokens. I guess. What could knock Shiba Inu and Dogecoin off their lofty perches? There are a number of threats. Of course, I'd rank a prolonged shift to risk-off market as the most likely factor to cause the digital coins to continue sinking. Yeah, it's possible, right? Okay, people are going to pull money out of the markets, of course, to de-risk, right? Less leverage, less everything. And I guess that could cause a decrease in price of Shiba Inu. Wouldn't that cause a decrease in price in most assets of de-risking? Of speculative assets. Okay, whatever. This is a stupid point. Let's keep going. It's also quite possible that the sum of the rising stars of the cryptocurrency world could gain momentum at the expense of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. For example, Changelink and Internet Computer racked up gains recently while nearly every other cryptocurrency failed. Well, you can tell which ones this guy likes. You can definitely tell. But the most worrisome risks are the ones that do not come as a surprise. Here's a huge threat for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin that you might not see coming. And what would that be, my friend? Can we just get to the point here? Welcome to mainstream crypto. Yada yada yada. The reason you guys are probably wondering, why are you pointing this out if it's like hateful towards Shiba Inu? Like, isn't this not really doing anything for us? Well, hold on. I do think that it's important to read these types of articles and to get these types of articles out to you guys so you guys recognize that we don't live in an echo chamber, right? Because that's the last thing I want for the overall Shiba Inu community. That's the last thing I want for anything. I want you guys to be aware that a lot of people are not fans of this coin, okay? And that's not a bad thing, okay? But what you need to be understanding and aware of is how to counter these points, right? And I think that in some of my analysis and some of the way that I talk about these articles, that it's a good way to do that. And this is a good way to flesh out these arguments and ideas, so that way when your uncle, who doesn't understand anything about crypto, comes up to you and says, why are you invested in a token named after a dog? I don't know if he's from the country. I don't know why I gave him a country accent, but let's pretend he has one. But either way, if he comes up and says that to you, what are you going to say to him, right? You're going to go, I thought it was funny. I mean, that's a very valid opinion, but of course there's reasons, right? We have reasons why we're investing in these tokens. We have different ideas, theories, and everything. I'm sure many of you are going to comment them below either way. But again, reading these articles is a good way to get that out. And again, they talk about PayPal Holdings planning a launch of their own cryptocurrency, fintech. Of course, we have CNBC reported on Walmart planning creating its own cryptocurrency as well. All that fun stuff. Why is this a threat to meme coins? Could PayPal and Walmart really cause problems for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin? Actually, yes. And even if these two companies don't, the efforts of others to bring cryptocurrency into the mainstream could present a significant threat to the two meme coins. Arguably, the most important driver going forward for digital tokens will be their real-world utility. There's real-world utility with Shib. Have you guys not heard of BitPay? I mean, you guys have, but have they not? Like, BitPay is literally one of the largest things. They just partnered with Google today. They just announced that BitPay will be partnering with Google to facilitate further transactions in cryptocurrency. Guys, it's just, all right, I'm over with this article. I read enough. If you guys want more of that article, you guys can read it yourself. But again, it's articles like that I think it is important to read to you guys, like I said. But either way, Shiba Inu's price faces tough challenges ahead before Shib returns to the 404327 level. Shiba Inu could be gearing up for a 46% surge if the bulls manage to lift prices above the 3009 level. Let's read a little bit more about this and see what this entails. Shiba Inu is struggling to break out of the prevailing chart pattern formation as it continues to record lower highs. However, the governing technical pattern projects a 46% ascent towards the 404327 level if Shib slices above the 403009 level. Shiba Inu price awaits a 46% climb. Shiba Inu's price has been sealed within a falling wedge pattern on the daily chart as Shib continues to consolidate, and the prevailing chart pattern suggests a bullish outlook for the K9 meme token if this manages to slice above the upper boundary, conceding with the 21-day simple moving average. This is technical analysis speak. If you guys are familiar with this, you guys know that obviously this is a little bit more complicated, right? But not necessarily a bad thing, right? This is obviously a good sign that Shiba Inu is consolidating at these levels. We are seeing some moves above the 21-day simple moving average. And as we continue to close out into this wedge, again, we're just going and going and going, right? Consistency is what matters here. Consistency with the price is overall what matters. But unfortunately, we can't have that unless the overall cryptocurrency market complies. As you can see, Bitcoin is doing quite nicely with that as the huge pump into this day continues, and we are continuing to consolidate at these levels. We love to see it. Hopefully that continues because that will affect the overall cryptocurrency market, because as much as these technicals do matter, guys, again, the market is trading much more on fundamental factors right now than it is on technicals. And I say that with a lot of confidence. So again, shoot me if you want. I don't know. But either way, like, that is my opinion and that is how I feel. Again, the CoinMarketCap situation has been rectified. I've already went over that in a previous video, so I don't think I'm going to do too much of that. Kraken Exchange, get started with Shiba Inu token, buy, sell, and trade Shib and 50 others on the 50 other cryptocurrencies on the Kraken app. Again, Kraken has been touting Shib as like their main attraction for people to come and invest with on their platform. So again, very exciting stuff to see either way. And I think the overall Shiba Inu community will benefit highly from this. Again, price is down, guys. Price is down over the last couple of months, but again, I think we will prevail. I think we will succeed. Hopefully, crypto will just kickstart a huge bull rally here into the next coming days and weeks, and we will see some incredible movement. And hopefully, you guys will be alongside with us in our Discord, so you guys can see when we're buying and join in on all of the fun, and of course, all of the bags that we are trying to run up together as a community. Make sure to join the private Discord, 50% off sale. Obviously, take advantage of it while you can. A few more days left, and then it's over. Make sure to join public too if you guys haven't already. First link down in the description below. Sign up, deposit at least $1, and you guys can get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70 of a great selection of companies like Apple, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, and a bunch of others, guys. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.